Good day, I will share to you our problem, and this is the auto backflash. You can see the red mark indicator fluctuated, means dirty or have a problem on the system. It's because they changed 2 times the candle filter, and also we installed a 2 pressure gauges to compare the in and out. Okay, but unfortunately it's broken, the needle. Okay, but first I need to explain the theory so that we can troubleshoot easily and accurate. Okay, this is the basic theory, simple theory that we need to understand. In example, fuel auto backflash. Okay, this is the theory: in and then filter, after the filter, out. Okay, the theory is there is a DP, differential pressure switch, and there is a 2 contacts for differential pressure. One is the normally closed. If reaches 0.8 bars, give a alarm, high differential pressure. Then the normally open, and then when reach the 0.6 it will close, and then give signal to the PLC that need to flash the system. Example, this one, 1 bar here, then 1 bar here. Scenario 1, result okay, no alarm, normal operation. Then scenario 2, 1.6 in and 1 bar 4 out. It means there is a restriction about 0.6 here. Suppose 1.6 already restricted. The filter is slightly dirty, and then this one gives signal to the PLC, and then this one, the dirt will auto flash. Then again 1 bar, okay, normal. Then the scenario 3, in and out, example 1.8, and then 1 bar. It means there is lots of dirt inside the filter, then gives alarm. After the system flash, then cannot go back to the normal pressure, and then reaches to 0.8, the differential 1.8 minus 1, then gives the alarm. Okay, that is the purpose. This one, 0.6 bar, auto flash, so that the system will clean this filter and remove the dirt. Okay, so that you can understand some old system, Bowl filter do not have pressure switch, pressure gauge. You need to install that one so that you can compare. You need to minus the 2 pressure so that you can check what is the difference. And lastly, scenario 4, number 4, the PLC can set for 1 hour. If reaches if not reach the 0.6 or 0.8, this is the setting. Example, in the PLC, 1 hour, 2 hours, you can set what you like, auto flashing. Even though the system is normal, it will auto flash. But this one is the DP. Example, 5 minutes, it reaches the 0.6, it will flash. Okay, no matter what is the setting of that PLC, but if reach the set point, it will flash the system. That is the purpose of this one. Okay, this is our system. Now we understand the purpose of this DP, differential pressure switch, is to monitor the filter if it is dirty. Okay, in and out. If there is a difference about 0.6, it will flash automatically. Okay, and we need to put a 2 pressure switch in and out. Okay, for our monitoring so that we can confirm if that DP is accurate during giving the red mark. Okay, and this is the connections, two pairs of connection, normally open and normally closed. Okay, this is from the other system. We need to get the pressure gauges and also the fittings so that we can confirm the in and out pressure, so that we cannot suspect the DP if that is the problem or the filter. But now we have in and out pressure gauges. Right now we can confirm that the filter is the problem or the system. Okay, right now same pressure, it means there is no restriction. Okay, but we already replace a new filter. It's because the problem is at the filter, not on the DP. Okay, because we have two comparison, the pressure gauges and the indicator of the differential. Okay, already replaced the new pressure gauges. Okay, thank you very much.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.